맛있더라고요.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Brazilian lemonade. By the way, Cardi B also made this lemonade and I was really curious about its taste. If you're ready, let's make it. And firstly, I need a glass of water. And one grated lime peel. Not too much as it might give a bitter taste. And lime juice. And 3 tablespoons condensed milk. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, it's ready and let's try. Oh my god. A little bit cream. It looks so delicious. Okay, let's try. Wanna try? Okay. It's perfect. Really, the taste is excellent. If you'd like, you can make it yourself. I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And goodbye. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.